In this video, we're gonna turn catfish fillets into a delicious catfish recipe. But first, we're gonna go to the river and catch them fresh.
All right, good morning, guys. We are out here at Peace River in Bartow, Florida, and the mosquitoes are here as well. But we're gonna try to cast out and get these catfish. Now, what we're using today is a bait that is commonly used for catfish, Kool-Aid soaked hot dogs. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put some out on the hook, see what we can get. I also have some Kool-Aid hot dog attractant that I'm gonna throw out there, hopefully soak up the water and attract them. We're hopefully gonna get a lot of catfish. All right, guys, today I am testing out 2 different kinds of hooks for these catfish. On the bait in front of me, I have circle hooks, and on the pole that's farther away from me, I have some smaller J hooks, mainly meant for bluegills and different panfish. Generally, if you're fishing for catfish, you want to use something like a circle hook, but in this case, I'm just trying to see what I can use that'll help me get the most catfish today, because we want to be able to make a delicious catfish fillet recipe, and we want to be able to test out all the different options that we have. So circle hooks on this, J hooks on this, and on this I have a big J hook just to see if something messes with it. But we'll keep fishing and go from there. Ooh, here we go, guys. Just like that, just like that, just like that, guys. That was not long at all. That was not long at all, guys. I think the catfish may be on their way. Look at that. I just got finished talking about this. Now this is a channel cat, and we're gonna go ahead and put this in the cooler. Nice. Ended up not catching anything else, but after packing up and casting out the cast net, I caught this pleco, so he's getting cooked too. Now that we have plenty of fish, it's time to make some fillets and get started on this delicious catfish recipe. But first, if you can like and subscribe, that will show us that you want more videos like this. Alrighty, guys, we're finally at the fillet stage of this catfish recipe. This is a beautiful channel catfish that we caught earlier this morning, and we're gonna go ahead and get some fillets. Guys, do me a favor, comment below, what is your favorite catfish recipe? Today, we're gonna be frying these catfish fillets along with that pleco. We're gonna be frying that as well. But comment below what you use to cook your fish. I would love to be able to know what you guys use. I don't cook much, so I'm limited on my recipes. But if you guys can help me out, that would be great. Just comment it below, and maybe we'll check it out on the channel when I catch some more fish. Also, guys, I just realized that my feet are showing at the bottom of the screen. Please do not comment any comments about my feet. I'm very self-conscious, so I'd appreciate that very much. But we're ending off this fillet, so I'll let y'all get back to it. It's one fillet right there. We're gonna do the other side, then we'll get to cooking. Nice fatty piece. Look at that fat. Nice. All right, guys, we finished up filleting that catfish, so now it's on to this pleco. I don't know how this is gonna go, but we're gonna figure it out. We'll have to figure it out. So how I filleted this pleco is that if you look at the scales, there's ridges in between, and in between those scales there were some soft membranes. So I was able to get my fillet knife through those membranes and be able to cut and basically get my pliers underneath and start to peel away at that shell and get to the meat underneath. So as you can see, I'm actually able to fillet off a chunk there on both sides. So we got our pleco that we filleted, and we have our catfish that we filleted. I'm really looking forward to the catfish. I'm iffy about the pleco, but we're gonna see how it goes. So what I'm gonna do now is pat this dry so we can get our egg on there. So the ingredients that we're using, got some egg. Gonna use that to coat it once we dry it off, and then once we get in the egg, we're gonna put it in some seasonings. Got some salt and pepper, some all-purpose flour, and some of this fish fry. Gonna just go real simple because I'm not a chef. So As long as it's edible and tastes somewhat good, I'll be fine. So it's already pretty dry once I put it in the bag earlier, so that's pretty good. I'm just getting these little pieces off from earlier. These fillets actually look pretty doggone good. If it was a bigger catfish, then we would have had some more to work with. But some good fillets right there. All right, so that's good. And then I got some of this cheekbone meat that I took off. Cheekbone. Okay. All right, now let's dry off this pleco. So I got this canola oil heating up. And according to my wife, it's not the best for you, but that's what we got, so. Alrighty. So this pleco is looking mighty. It's looking, I don't know what it's looking like. Ah! All right, we good. All right, so that piece is finito. All right, now what we're gonna do, I'm gonna crack this egg here, put it in this thing. Then we're gonna scramble this egg. So now I'm gonna go ahead and get this seasoning done, this goodness. So I'll start with some all-purpose flour. And this is just some White Lily all-purpose flour. Oops. There will be messes, but it's okay. I'll put some of this New Orleans style fish fry, seafood breaded meat. Gonna use that. Get a good dose of that in there. I'm gonna hit it with some salt and pepper. Whoop, not that much. Hit it with some salt and pepper. Oh, don't want it too salty because I still want that fish flavor to come out. A little bit more salt. Okay. All right. I got that mixed. All right, guys, the oil is ready. So we're gonna start dropping our fish into our concoction. I got in the egg there. Make this a little easy. All right, now we're gonna start dropping this into our mix here. It's time for the moment of truth. Start dropping these bad boys in. We're gonna let it stay in there till it's golden brown. All right, it's about that golden brown. We're about to take it out, let this grease fall out, and then try this delicious fried catfish recipe. Yummy. We'll let this sit for a bit, and it's time to taste, baby. All right, guys, we're about to go ahead and try this catfish. Remember, this is what it looked like before, and now it is looking like this. It's looking nice and golden brown. Let's go ahead and bite. What is good? What is good? That's good. Yeah, that's restaurant style right there. That's restaurant style right there. Want a piece? Want some? She don't want it. Yeah, catfish, A+. A+. All right, so now the questionable one, the pleco. This is what it looked like. So, but I mean, it's looking good. Let's break it apart, see what happens. All right, flaky. Smell, you know. So this is a nice thick piece. About to eat this thick piece, let's see. Interesting. That's good. It doesn't have a fishy taste. It does not have a fishy taste. Man, how would I describe this? It's good. It's good.
I need some chocolate.
Want some chocolate? You eating fish? I would eat the pleco again. It doesn't have a fishy taste. No matter, I mean, regardless of that redness and pinkness the meat had, it is actually good. So, A plus for the catfish and the pleco. I will eat both of them. I will eat both of them. I'm about to tear this pleco up. Guys, that was the recipe. Delicious catfish fillets turned into this beautiful golden brown catfish fried. It was delicious. And same goes for the pleco. Delicious, delicious, delicious. I will eat it again, and I will eat it again soon. Please like and subscribe for more content. Y'all have a good one, and let me know what y'all want to see cooked next. It's good. Ooh, good. That's good. Are y'all still here?